Hi, it's Brianne with Video Reflective Journal number 2. After answering the questions on page 99 and reflecting on my responses, I realized that our school culture is very much still a culture of me and my, as opposed to ours and us. Many staff are still under the mindset of this is my classroom, these are my students, instead of this is our students, this is our campus as a whole. The question that really stuck out to me was the one about disruptive behavior and consequences. And on my site, we don't have an overall definition of what disruptive behavior is. Each teacher is able to make up their own, which then leads to confusion, as something that could be disruptive in one classroom is completely fine in another classroom, and students are being given different information depending on what staff member they come across. In general, there is an overall trust and respect level among all staff members on campus as well as admin. It's something that has been improving in the last few years. It wasn't always very trustworthy or respectful, and groups were seen as completely separate, as opposed to like teachers were a completely different group than campus coaches, and they didn't really mix or really hold respect to one another, and that has been improving in the last couple school years. I also think our school culture, with reflecting on a lot of these questions, is we don't involve parents enough. We look at parents as separate to the student and their learning, and we try as a staff to kind of fix whatever problems arise, and we don't necessarily include the parents as much. And I think it's important that we start bringing in parents more and working with them for a student's academic achievements. The question I focused on how the answer would be different for teachers, students, and parents was question number 6, which was, what is the school's responsibility for improving the relationships among students' disruptive behaviors, their learning needs, and their lack of academic success? I believe the school plays a vital role in that, but it also for teachers and students and parents would mean something different. For teachers, it's important to learn about each one of their students, learn their interests, learn how they learn, and give a classroom environment that they are able to succeed in. For students and parents, that same question would be that the school needs to reach out to them and that they need to share stuff about the students' behavior, students' interests, to give them all an equal partnership in academic success for a student.